Want smarter shipping rules for your WooCommerce store? Here's how to restrict shipping options based on conditions, like cart total, products, location, and more. First, install the Conditional Shipping for WooCommerce plugin from WPFactory. Activate it, then open the plugin from the WPFactory menu. Enable the plugin in General Settings, then choose how multiple conditions combine using AND or OR logic. Set minimum or maximum order totals for each shipping method. Require or exclude specific cities to show methods only where you ship. Target user roles, like wholesale versus retail, with tailored options. Require certain products or entire categories to enable a method. Link shipping to payment methods, and refine with tags or shipping classes. Save your settings, test at checkout. Only allowed shipping options will appear, and that's it. Your store now shows smarter, condition-based shipping options. For a full step-by-step guide, read the detailed article on WPFactory. Get the plugin and optimize your shipping today.